Welcome back. Good evening. It is actually, sorry. It's July 26, 2017. Sorry, guys. I've already been here for almost, what, 8 hours already? Still got another 8 hours to go, probably. But we're doing 2017 Leaf autograph football jerseys, as you can see right here. This is just because I don't have the page open because it sold out a couple days ago, but this is Leaf autograph jersey edition, one box break number 2, 2 random teams each. So let's roll the dice. We rolled a 2 and a 3, so we're gonna go 5 times on the list of names and teams. 5 times, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, Mike at the top, Christopher Beck is at the bottom. Let's close that one off. All right, so 5 times down the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1.
There we go. After 5 times, Miami Dolphins at the top. Tampa Bay Buccaneers are at the bottom. All right. So Mike, Dolphins. Michael G with the Packers. Robert D with the Chargers. Megan with the Seahawks. Joe P with the Giants. Mike with the Titans. Mike G with the Titans. Joe P with the Eagles and Jets. Christopher with the Cardinals. David Chang with the Falcons. James with the Cowboys. Megan with the Rams. Mike G with the Colts. Robert D with the Lions. Stevens Moody with the Browns. Mike with the Bills and Patriots. Michael G with the Texans. David Chang with the Panthers. Jeffrey Dorlack with the 49ers. Joe P with the Bengals. Mike Kuntz with the Ravens. Colin with the Vikings. Jeffrey with the Chiefs. Colin with the Steelers. Stevens Moody with the Bears. Harry with the Saints. Joe P with the Redskins and Broncos. Harry with the Raiders. James D with the Jaguars. And Christopher, you have the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly pause. Actually, I can't pause the video here on this break with this computer, but I'll give you guys 30 seconds to try to make any trades. Alright guys, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Bucks for Jets. No trade offer for Joe P. And Chris. I gotta hear something. I gotta hear a reply back, Joe P. Now I'm closing it and breaking this because we're backed up and I'm trying to go break some hockey. Confirm it, guys. I'll close the trade window after that. Paul, we're not uploading any videos to the end of the night. It messes up with our lag in our stream and it'll crash the stream. So we don't have the upload speed that we do back in Redondo. It's really, really low here. So we don't upload any breaks on any of our channels till the end of the night. I think that's what most people are doing too. All right, so Bucks for Jets. All right, so trade window closed now. Here's the list right here for number 2. Good luck to everybody in the break. We had one trade, Joe P with the Bucks now, and Chris with the Jets. There you go. So let's get these boxes back. All these boxes are random right here, as you can see, but the only box that is not available is box 8. We did that in the last break, so let's generate one of these boxes that are available now. 3, box 3, and it is available. So it's the last box at the bottom. So there you go, box 3. Good luck, guys. These jerseys are also not covered or anything like that, so it's kind of hard to make it a little suspenseful. But I'll do my best. We have Fred Dean. Fred Dean. Hall of Fame, 2008. There's the ink. There's the COA. So we'll check that out right now.
I'm looking it up right now. Fred Dean, Hall of Fame. He played the most seasons with, we might have to look, 75 to 81 with the Chargers, and then 81 to 85 with the Niners. So it looks like he played with the Chargers for like a year longer, 75, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81. 22, 23, 45. Yep, just a little bit more with the
7 years with the Chargers. Oh wait, but this isn't a, it doesn't matter, right? What? Even though it's like in a red jersey?
Well, no,
right?
Isn't that why we did it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying though. But like,
oh no, that's his red jersey. That's his Niners jersey then.
Yeah, but I'm getting confused now.
No, that goes to the Niners. I'm sorry,
I know it's on a Niners jersey. That's what I'm thinking.
It's on a Niners jersey. If it was his collegiate jersey,
yeah.
then we would do the college rule.
All right, so yeah.
But that's clearly a Niners jersey.
All right, so that'll go to the 49ers.
Sorry.
Then.
It's been a crazy day.
Jeffrey Dorlap.
There you go, Jeff. Sorry. Jeff's probably like yelling at the computer. He's like, hey, it's mine.
There you go. Fred Dean jersey. So there you go, guys. That was Random Teams number 2. Random Teams number 3 coming up next.